Hello mga pare ko, today I'm gonna show you this one. This one is a saddlebag bracket I got from Lazada. So it is intended to be installed on my Royal Enfield Continental GT650. So the design I got is not actually intended for Continental GT650. Based on the description, it is for CBR 650R, but I did some preliminary measurements and found that it is, or it will fit on the GT650. So let's open the box. So what's inside the box is two pairs. So I bought two pairs of the kit. So one for left and one for right. So you will have this mount. So this is the one that you can install on the bike itself. So I quickly check whether the original GT650 screw would fit, and it does. So at least that's solved one of the problem already. Okay, so another item inside the kit is the bracket itself. The bracket, I think it's made of aluminum, a bit heavy. But may mga there are marks of the bubble wrap. So basically what we're trying to do is screw the bracket here, adjust based on the spacing of the mounting, and then mount it on the bike like that. So we have another set. So the only problem, if you're really picky, is yeah, left and right are the same design, so it's not mirrored. Right. In terms of quality, may mga marks ng CNC, so I think it's CNC. It's not that well made, but good enough, since most of it are going to be covered naman ng saddlebags. Okay, and then we have the screws. These are supposedly similar to this, only longer, so I'm probably gonna use the original screw. These are for these. So that's it. And you have like to keep it in place so it won't like loosen out over time. So I'll just walk you through the installation, and that's it.